Hey, how you doing, YouTube? BoHill620 coming to you from my backyard with part 2 of repairing my kayak. And part 1, I did not plastic weld. I plastic patched. I melted a bunch of freaking plastic, shoved it into the cracks. It's hard. It's definitely not going to leak, but I want to protect that bottom just a little bit. And so what we're going to do today, or now I guess, is we're going to build a skid plate. I took a 5-gallon Atwood's bucket. I cut out a incredibly large piece. I'm going to take this, long story short, I'm going to put this piece in the oven. I'm going to get it hot. I've already got the oven going. It's sitting at about 300 degrees, I believe. And so I'm going to get this piece very pliable. I'm going to stick it on a piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to get some gloves, and I'm definitely going to be careful. I'm going to heat up this boat a little bit, and then when I think it's time, I'm going to come out here. I'm going to slap it on there, and while it's hot, I'm going to go to foreman and see if we can't get this thing to stick. That way when we're dragging this boat around, it ain't doing nothing but sliding on this 5-gallon bucket. Here we go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to just get some heat in here, because I've already got that other piece sitting in the oven, which I probably need to go check that. I mean, it's getting soft. Definitely getting soft there. Definitely done. I'm going to apply the patch. Oh, what I missed. I've used wax paper. I couldn't find no aluminum foil, but that's all right. And that is freaking warm. Well, it molded. It just didn't come out. But that's all right too, though, because I got a mold and I can just figure out what I need to do from here to get it to stick. Well, what I'm going to try to do is melt some strips and see if I can't figure, like, trying to, like, make a glue for it. Well, YouTube, I'm about as done as I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna go jump into some shorts. I'm gonna hop on the river and I'm gonna test it out. It is not pretty. It is not the best way to do it, but redneck ingenuity will prevail. I have a cap on it. I have a skid plate. I'm not gonna leak. That means I can drink beer and kayak on the river this summer. So what's that mean? I'm having fun, you're not, because you're watching this video. So how about you do me a favor, like, share, tweet, do whatever the hell it is you gotta do, but subscribe and leave a comment. I'm Bo Hill 620, and I'll see you next time.